Hey, it's Diana Messiah, and welcome back to Healthy People Too. Menstrual pain, what causes it, and therapy that'll help alleviate the pain and more. Yoni steam therapy for severe menstrual cramp. For most women, the menstrual cycle is a dreaded time of the month because it comes with cramping, tender breath, bloating, fluid retention, muscle aches, headaches, acne, abdominal cramps, and a host of other medical conditions. This is why women are no longer settling for just pain relievers, but ways to help them alleviate all the problems that come along with their moon cycle. Premenstrual Syndrome, PMS. Women of childbearing age have contended with PMS, which encompasses a range of emotional and physical symptoms in the days leading up to the onset of the menstrual cycle. Feelings of irritability, food cravings, and mood swings are common around this time of the month. And monthly, this has an impact on a large percentage of women because it affects their quality of life. Often, they miss work or school and are not able to participate in activities that they usually enjoy. This leads to difficulties in relationships with their families and friends. What causes menstrual cramps? Menstrual cramps tend to begin after ovulation, when an egg is released from the ovaries and travels down the fallopian tube. Pain occurs in the lower abdomen and lower back. These cramps happen because of contractions in the uterus or womb, which is a muscle. If it contracts too strongly during your menstrual cycle, it can press against nearby blood vessels. This briefly cuts off supply of oxygen to the uterus, and the lack of oxygen can cause pain and cramping. Therapy to alleviate PMS, monthly cramping, and a host of other things associated with monthly cycle. Yoni steam therapy has been getting a lot of momentum lately because it has the ability to help aid pain associated with the menstrual cycle. It also has been used for many purposes, but it is typically used to alleviate unwanted symptoms associated with periods, such as bloating, exhaustion, heavy menstrual flow, and irregular periods. Yoni steam therapy has also been used to treat stress, depression, hemorrhoid, fatigue, and headaches. It is also a relaxing way to promote reproductive health. The Yoni steam is pH balanced to help the body naturally cleanse the vaginal and uterine linings in a safe and gentle way. The steam works to alleviate symptoms caused by or related to congestion in the tissue area. Natural herbs and essential oils from plants such as basil will help move fluid forward. Rosemary is an antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial herb that will cleanse the area. Oregano is antiseptic along with antispasmodic and expectorant relief, while calendula is an anti-inflammatory and motherwort tonifies, eases the cramping and infections. Mugwort is known to be an all-purpose herb along with marigold, which has also been hailed for its anti-inflammatory properties. These herbs will help nourish and tonify the vaginal and uterine tissues while improving circulation. How does Yoni steam therapy work? The Yoni steam therapy works by applying moist heat to the pelvic floor, which heals the exterior tissues of the vagina as well as throughout the entire body via the bloodstream. When should Yoni steam therapy be applied? A healthy period is generally 3 to 4 days of moderate flow without clots. Doing the Yoni steam therapy once the week before your period and once the week after your period can assist in relieving menstrual pain, thereby balancing menstrual issues over time. What happens after the Yoni steam therapy? Immediately following the Yoni steam therapy, you might feel extremely relaxed, emotional, or tired. In the days following, there are a number of things that women experience, like change in their cycle, lighter period, and overall better health. Herbs needed for the steam. You will need 1 tablespoon each of these commonly used household herbs: basil, rosemary, oregano, calendula, motherwort, mugwort, and marigold. Directions for your Yoni steam. 1. In a medium covered pot, pour 8 cups of purified water. 2. Place the mixture of combined herbs into the water. Do not add or use essential oils unless you've added a carrier oil like olive oil, as they are too strong and may burn sensitive genital tissues. 3. Bring water to a soft boil for 5 minutes. 4. Turn off the heat, leave the lid on, and steep for another 5 minutes with the lid on. 5. It is very important to test the temperature of the steam before using it. If it is too hot, wait 10 to 15 seconds and test again until it feels comfortably warm to steam with. 6. Pour 4 cups, half of the boiled herb water, into a bowl you have placed in the toilet. 7. Wave your hands 8 to 10 inches over the herbal water to make sure it is not too hot. 8. Remove your undergarment and sit on the seat above the steaming water. 9. Drape a large blanket or sheet around your waist down to the floor, making sure no steam escapes. 10. Make sure you keep yourself warm, keeping something on your feet like socks or slippers. You do not want any cold to get into your body while you are trying to warm it. 11. You should feel a warm, rolling heat for about 10 to 12 minutes. 12. When the steam dies down, dump the water into the toilet. 13. Starting with step number 4, begin the second dosage. If it has cooled too much, reheat. Test again before starting over the steam. Thank you for watching this video. Submit your comments and questions in the comments area. If you would like to hear about more healthy tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a happy and healthy day.